Allow yourself to be in a comfortable, relaxed position and gently close your eyes. Now, begin by bringing your attention to your breath as you begin to notice how it feels as fresh air enters your body through your nose. Notice how your stomach expands as it gets filled with air. And how it contracts as you exhale. Let the breathing happen naturally. Just allow yourself to witness your breath as is, without any judgment. For the next few moments, become a witness to this beautiful process of breathing in your body. Now, become aware of your body, the temperature of your body, the feeling of clothes on your body, and the floor beneath you. Become aware of everything. If there are thoughts coming up in your mind, acknowledge their presence with compassion and allow them to flow away like the waves of the ocean. Know that these thoughts do not control you. Just focus on this truth and allow them to go. Even if your mind wanders, bring the focus back into the present moment. Because this is what mindfulness really means: to be aware of everything within you and around you in this present moment. It is about being present in the now, without any purpose apart from being aware. Notice how you feel in this state of awareness. Express gratitude to yourself for giving yourself this blessing of being mindful and just being as is. And as you do so, allow this feeling of gratitude to expand in your body as you get ready to continue with your day. Being fully aware of everything around you and allowing the benefits of this meditation to be integrated in your day. Know that you can always choose to come back and listen to this meditation whenever you wish to. Now, gently rub the palms of your hands and place them on your eyes. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes and continue with your day. Thank you.